Are you ready to unlock a revolutionary way of earning passive income? With this secret online business model, you can effortlessly rake in $7 every single minute, all on complete autopilot. And the best part? You have multiple payment options, whether it's through your PayPal account, another e-wallet, or directly into your bank account. We've got you covered. Even if PayPal isn't available in your country, worry not. You can still receive withdrawals straight into your local bank. Now let's dive right into the first step. Head over to a remarkable tool known as Pixabay.com. Pixabay is a treasure trove where you can discover an abundance of royalty-free images, stock footages, and even music. They house over 5 million high-quality assets that you can utilize entirely free of charge. But here's the catch. We're not going to be selling or clicking on pictures. Instead, we'll be leveraging these images to establish our passive income system. Once you're on Pixabay.com, look for the Join button and create your free account. After that, type dog in the search bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted with a plethora of adorable dog images. People have a soft spot for dogs, and for our purposes, we need clear dog images where the dog is either standing or sitting. Make sure there's only one dog in the image. For instance, if you spot an appealing dog image, open it and then click on the download option on the right. Select the maximum size available and click download to save the image to your device. Repeat this process and download at least 5 to 10 images of dogs, cats, birds, or other pet animals. You can also explore sites like Pixels or Unsplash for the same purpose. These platforms offer high-quality pet images that are free to use. So, why are we downloading these pet images? Well, take a look at this online shop. They specialize in selling custom pet products such as phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, blankets, portraits, and more, all crafted using pet photos. The shop owner doesn't have to waste time creating images or designing products from scratch. The customers provide the pet photos, and the shop owner uses a print-on-demand service like Printify. Printify takes care of printing and shipping the products to the customers. The beauty of this is that the shop owner doesn't need to pay anything up front. Printify deducts its cost for printing and shipping from the sale amount of each product. It's a win-win situation for both the shop owner and Printify. This particular shop is raking in over $3,000 a day, selling products they don't have to create or ship themselves. This is all made possible by the print-on-demand online business model, which is essentially a form of drop shipping for mugs, phone cases, and t-shirt designs. You collaborate with a supplier like Printify, who offers white-label products like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, and mugs that can be printed on. Printify integrates seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and more, simplifying the entire process. In the case of custom printables, the customer gives you a pet photo, you upload it to the item they want printed, and Printify handles the rest of the printing and shipping. Now, on to step number 2. Visit Printify. We'll leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Printify is a top-notch print-on-demand platform. Here you can find various white-label products like phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, and more that are ready to be printed on. All you need to do is select one of these products and upload your designs, which could be an image, text, or a drawing. Then, list your items on different e-commerce platforms such as Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Redbubble, or on Printify's own shop called Printify Pop-Up. Whenever someone purchases your item from these e-commerce sites, Printify automatically fulfills the order and you get your profit. For example, take a look at this Etsy shop called Modpuss. They've sold over 180,000 items so far, just by selling custom pet products using pet photos. They price their items between $9 and $30, with an average of around $10 per item. Do the math, and you'll see they've earned over $1.8 million from this single shop. And if Etsy isn't available in your country, don't fret. You can use other global e-commerce sites like Redbubble, which is accessible in almost all countries, including India. Amazon and eBay are also excellent alternatives. This is one of the simplest ways to start a passive income business online, completely free of charge. You can even use this method to cash in on the Christmas season by creating Christmas items like socks and hats, and selling them on your shop via Printify. The third step is to register on Printify. Click the first link in the video description or the pinned comment. Once you log into your Printify account, this is what your dashboard will look like. First, click on My New Store and select Add a New Store from the options. This will lead you to a page where you can connect your Etsy, Shopify, TikTok US, eBay, Walmart, Printify Pop-Up, or other stores to your Printify account. After connecting your store, click on the Catalog option on the left and start selecting different items one by one. Just like the successful shops, we'll design phone cases, pillows, mugs, t-shirts, and more for our shop. Let's start with phone cases. Select the phone case option, and you'll be presented with different white label phone case designs for iOS and Android phones. If it's your first time designing phone cases, I recommend choosing one of the 3 top-selling designs on the page. Let's say we pick this one. On the next page, you'll see various mock-ups for your phone case design. Scroll down a bit and click on Start Designing Products. This will take you to the design page for your phone case. Here, you need to upload the dog images you downloaded from Pixabay, Unsplash, or Pixels. Click on Upload, select My Device, and choose the dog image you want to use from your computer or laptop. The image will be added to your item. Now we need to edit and adjust it. Notice that the image has a background, but the products in the successful shops don't have backgrounds on their pet photos. To remove the background, click on the background remover icon at the top. A pop-up window will appear, where you can either manually remove the background using the eraser or click the Quick Remove button. In seconds, Printify will remove the background perfectly. Click Apply, and the background-free image will be ready on your item. Next, adjust the image on the phone case mock-up. Place it at the center and ensure it covers the bottom area up to the outer black line. Then, add some text. Click on Add Text on the left. Select a font. I'm choosing this one, but you can pick any you like, and adjust the text on top of the dog image. Type the name of the dog, for example, Kesa. And just like that, your first item is almost ready. Printify also offers great tools like an AI image generator. Click on it, and a pop-up window will open. Select a style, like photographic for a realistic image. Enter a detailed prompt, such as a dog on a white background, and click Generate Image. In a few seconds, you'll have a cute dog image that you can also use for your phone case mock-up. There are many such tools to enhance your images. Once you're done editing, click Preview to see different previews of your phone case. If you're not satisfied, click Edit and keep refining until it's perfect. Otherwise, click Save Product to save the design to your Printify account under My Products. You can create multiple product catalogs on Printify for your online e-commerce site, connect your Etsy shop or other online stores, and directly add your designs. When someone places an order from your shop, it goes straight to Printify. Printify takes care of printing and shipping, deducts its charges from the sale amount, and gives you the profit. Printify is the ultimate platform for creating and selling custom-designed products. You don't need to invest any money in the process. Just download pet images from free sites, upload your designs to Printify products, connect your Printify shop to an e-commerce platform. Price your items between $7 and $20, whatever is profitable and affordable, and you'll be on your way to generating income like those successful shops. In a few months, you could be earning $7 every minute. Again, the link to Printify is in the video description and the pinned comment. Register now and start making money today. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.